Joyful Jamboree!
Come on, Lily. Let's meet our friends. Guys, where are you going?
This is so cool. Guys, do you see this? The things are invisible here.
Let's bring my color blaster. Now it's going to be visible. Here we go. Now it's going to be visible.
Wow, guys, this is a red color ball. Guys, do you want to see a magic?
I'm so tired. I can't take it anymore. I need some rest.
Don't worry, friends. I have a solution.
Wow, guys. This is a blue color sofa and it's so comfortable and cool. Guys, did you see this? I'm in the air.
Here comes the color blaster. Wow, guys, this is a yellow color slider.
This is so amazing!
Something is moving here. I smell something here.
Let's color this. Wow, guys, it's a green-colored turtle.
Guys, I feel something here.
Let's see what this is. Wow, guys, this is an orange color trampoline. This is so much fun, guys.
Oh my god! This is so loud!
Something is moving here. Oh no, purple splashing is everywhere. Guys, I am covered with this purple color. I'm looking so cool. Wait for me. I'm coming for you guys.
Come on, guys. Let's have a colorful color blast. Fill your life with more colorful colors. Be happy and joyful, guys. Come on, guys. Let's test this magnet today. Let's see which materials attract a magnet.
Let's on this magnet.
Guys, here comes the first material. Come on, guys. Lower the magnet. Turn on the magnet. There is no movement between the wooden blocks. Guys, wood is not a magnetic material.
Guys, I have something for you. Let's try this now. Guys, fabric is not a magnetic material.
Let's try this dino toys now, guys. Now bring the magnet closer to the figures. Guys, plastic is not a magnetic material.
Now it's my turn. Let's try this. Come on, guys. Turn on the magnet. Oh, wow. Guys, finally we got it. The metal is a magnetic material. Wow, this is so beautiful.
Guys, do you see this? I got my world champion belt.
Oh no, that belt has a metal plate and it's going to be attracted to magnet.
I'm bored. Let's click this button.
Oh my god, what's happening to me? Where am I going? Hey, you, Mia, I got stuck to the magnet. Turn off the magnet. Let me get down, Mia.
Oh my god. Sorry, Dino. It's my bad.
Don't worry, Dino. Help is on the way. Now turn off the magnet.
This is very exciting. I like it a lot.
Don't worry, Dino. Help is on the way.
Bye-bye, guys. See you again. Bye.
Hey, Mia, let's do gardening today.
What is hidden under the soil?
Come on, guys, let's do something fun today. Guys, I found something here. Wow, guys, it's a carrot.
Where can I find vegetables? Let's dig here. Guys, I found something. Wow, guys, we got potato.
Hey, Mia! What is this vegetable called? Mia? Why I am crying suddenly? What's happening here?
It's because of this onion, Dino.
Guys, I smell something here. Let's pull it out from the ground. Wow, guys, we found a radish.
It's my turn, friends. Let's me find something. It almost came out. Guys, I found a beetroot.
This beetroot is so delicious, guys.
Where does this big vine come from, guys?
Let me pull out this by myself. Come on, Cat. We both can do this. They can't pull it out, guys.
We found a giant pumpkin.
We have successfully completed our gardening.
Bye-bye, guys. See you again. Bye.
Welcome to the Speedy Fix Garage.
Kids, let's open the garage for service.
Car, we will fix you in a minute. Droopy eyes, crying wipers.
This car is feeling sad.
Don't worry, Car. Don't cry. I'm here to take care of you.
It's almost done, Car. You're looking great.
Wow, the car is feeling happy now.
Oh no! Huh, what just happened?
Oh no, that's a car with an angry red face.
Calm down, Car. Follow my instructions. What is happening to him? I think you have a coolant problem. Everything will be fine now.
Yes, Dino. I feel great now.
Oh wow, the car is feeling calm now.
Oh no! What is this chaos?
I can't move freely. Guys, I'm so scared. I don't know what's happening to me.
I'll check you. Come this way. Oops. The tire is flat.
Don't worry, Bus. I'll make you better.
Hey, Dino, can you lift the bus?
Don't worry, Bus. Your wheels are looking great now. Wow, the bus is feeling safe now.
Thank you, friends.
Bye-bye, guys. See you again. Bye. Delicious fruits. Animals today. Let's play a tasting game. Are you ready?
Here you go.
I am ready for the game.
Okay, come closer now.
Let's try this fruit. T-Rex, guess this fruit name.
Aha! I know this. It's an apple. That was easy, guys.
Now it's time for elephant. Elephant, guess the fruit. I know. It's a banana.
Well done, elephant. Let's have some fun with lemon. Dog, try this tasty fruit.
What could this be? Let's try it.
Dad, it's your turn now. Come on, try guessing this fruit.
It's sharp and picky. I got it, guys! It's a pineapple! Don't worry, it won't be lemon this time. All right, let's go with this. Come on, dog, go for it.
Wow, it's tasty. I am 100% sure it's a strawberry.
Leo, you can't escape the game.
Okay, all right.
Are you ready, kids?
It's round and bumpy.
Oh,
It's simple.
yeah.
It's an orange, kids.
No time to guess. Let's eat this watermelon.
Guys, can you do this?
Oh, wow!
Kids, hope you all had fun with fruits. Let's meet again.